Stefanutti Stocks civils projects, we've been awarded 2 substantial projects to the value of 600 million in total. One is for the ROM and discards bunkers area civils, and the other one is for the plant beneficiation civils, and it involves pretty much storage facilities, bunkers, feed silos, storage silos, screening buildings, foundations to all these structures, foundations to the Larsen plant, cyclone plant, and various conveyor foundations and paving to supply foundation material or foundation structures for the mechanical and electrical plant which is to follow.